What's going on, everybody? So today I got something new. I got something exciting. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my new ibuypower PC. I've been wanting to get a PC for a while now, and it was just only a matter of time because the video games I want to play, I cannot play them on my MacBook. So here we are. I got a new ibuypower PC, and today we're gonna unbox it. So let's go. Alright, so it came with a mouse and keyboard, which I love. Set that to the side for a second. There is some plastic on the inside, so I'm gonna have to take that out. It really is so pretty. So I took the glass off and I removed the plastic from the inside. I checked all of the connections, so I think that's all I needed to do. So I guess that's it. Got the power cord here. So beautiful. Okay. Now that we got my PC set up, all I need to do is put my monitor up. This new monitor today from Walmart. It's pretty good, I'd say, for myself.
The directions at?
You just put it on.
Where's the rest of the directions at? Alright, so now you have everything basically ready.
That was a struggle, but we got it working. Now I'm just gonna fix up my area, add some cute little things to it, and it's gonna be perfect. Right now, I'm just trying to log into all of my accounts because there's a lot of things that I have to like get settled, you know? I was gonna set up 2 monitors, but I have the wrong cord to connect this one to the PC. So I would just have to get that tomorrow. Why is my screen so blurry? I don't understand. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys, update you guys that I was getting a PC and I was setting it up, you know, and all that stuff. So the next time you see a video from me, it may or may not be coming from a PC. We'll just have to see. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you watched it, leave a like, subscribe, comment. You know the vibes are. I'll see y'all.